What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. My name is Corey and I am Platinum Built. I hope you enjoyed that little quick video of the Pittsburgh World of Wheels. I didn't get as much filmed as I would have liked to. I didn't really get to interview anyone. There was a lot of people there, and it was just a little hairy to film, put it that way, and go talk to the people. There was just people everywhere. But anyways, it was a great event. There was a lot of sick vehicles, cars, trucks, motorcycles, Harleys, you name it, it had it. I really respect all the Pittsburgh builders. I mean, there was people from all over. I discovered a couple new pretty sick custom shops that build some seriously nice vehicles. But anyways, that's about it. That's the quick little video. I'm about to go walk on this secret trail here. It's a paved trail through the woods. So it's like you're walking through the woods, but you're on a paved trail, so it's nice. But that's it, guys. I hope everyone liked that. Please subscribe, join the family. If you are into anything cool in the automotive industry, if you work harder than anyone you know, if you live life to the highest quality, then you are platinum built. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.